Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, we're talking about how to fix Chrome keeps logging you out. Okay, and the first fix is going to be the cookie retention. So click on the three dots right here, and then go to your settings on the browser. Then select Privacy and Security, and in this tab, you need to click on Cookies and Other Site Data. Alright, and in here guys, you need to find a setting that's called Clear Cookies and Site Data when you close all windows. So if this is toggled on, Chrome is literally following your orders to log you out every time you close it. So just toggle this off. And also ensure that your sync is turned on for your Google account so that your history and browsing data is also saved. So that's pretty much it, guys. Also, if nothing helps, I just highly recommend firstly trying to clear your cookies by yourself. So you just open up your settings once again in here, and in the search type in clear, or just if you can't find it, you can click delete browsing data under the privacy and security, or just reset your browser completely right here with this button. So that's it, enjoy, and thank you for watching.